Hello everybody, this is Becca from Becca Harkins Art, and today I have a really fun video for you. I think this is probably the happiest painting that I have ever created. I'm starting with 5 flip cups to cover my base, and I'm using a variety of different blue colors. There's one that's a little more teal, one that's a little more blue. I mixed most of them with white because I wanted it to be very, very light and sky-like. And then over top of the base, I'm going to paint rainbow colors. For a list of the colors that I've used in this painting, you can check them out in the description. This is a commission that I did for somebody's playroom where they decorated with rainbow colors, and I am so delighted with how this piece came out. I cannot wait for you to see it. So I'm not going to talk a lot during this one because I don't feel like there's a whole lot to teach. I think you can pretty much see what I'm doing here. I hope that you enjoy the process, and if you would like a commission, please reach out to me. I am open for commissions at the moment, and I can make something that you will love. All right, enjoy the process, and I hope it makes you as happy as it makes me feel.